Have you ever been in a situation where you needed to make a quick payment for a business expense, but didn't have the right tools? Or maybe you're a freelancer or a contractor who needs a way to get paid without having to wait for an invoice to process. So you're not alone. Many people are looking for alternative payment methods that are more convenient and efficient. One such option is Deel. But does Deel have a card? In this video, we'll take a look at Deel and determine whether or not they offer a card. We'll also explore some of the other features and benefits of Deel and discuss whether or not it's a good option for you. What is Deel? Deel is a global payroll and payment platform that helps businesses hire and pay employees and contractors around the world. They offer a variety of services, including payroll processing, global tax compliance, expense management, currency exchange, benefits administration. Does Deel have a card? Unfortunately, Deel does not currently offer a card. However, they do offer a number of other payment options, including bank transfers, wire transfers, PayPal, Apple Pay, Google Pay. Is Deel a good option for you? Whether or not Deel is a good option for you depends on your individual needs and requirements. However, there are a number of benefits to using Deel, including easy to use. Deel's platform is very user-friendly and easy to navigate. Global reach. Deel supports over 150 countries and currencies. Competitive pricing. Deel's fees are competitive with other payroll and payment providers. Excellent customer service. Deel has a team of experienced customer service representatives who are always available to help. While Deel does not currently offer a card, they do offer a number of other payment options that may be suitable for your needs. If you're looking for a global payroll and payment platform that is easy to use, competitive, and offers excellent customer service, Deel may be a good option for you. If you're interested in learning more about Deel, please visit their website or contact their sales team. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below. And be sure to subscribe to our channel for more videos on business and finance. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.